Right?
Do you guys know about this? I mean,
oh shit. What we got?
we got some doors we picked up. What we pay, Chris? 20 bucks?
$20.
20 bucks for some doors. They're in decent shape. They're not all crazy beat up, but they're not perfect either. But we're gonna cut them all up, chop them up, make them light, and have them as our lightweight doors. We can swap them through the cars and whatnot. That way we don't cut our doors up. So
quick release doors?
Yeah, I mean they're not that bad to take off. It's a couple bolts. Why not?
Pretty easy, right?
Yeah. Chop them up and go from there.
Let's get a scale. Let's see how much. Let's see how much they weigh, and then
go from there, cut it up, and then see how much we lose. Cool.
Yeah, compared to a stock door.
Yeah. I don't think
get that.
I don't think I've seen that before.
Glass. All right, let's see what it weighs. Cause we're holding it.
No, it's about 45 pounds. That's what I figured when I picked it up.
Think so? Yeah. Okay.
Let's see the one with the glass. Let's see if it goes. I mean, this one. Go more toward. Oh yeah, see, it's over 50. It's over 50. So it's gonna be at least 55, 60 pounds maybe. So we're gonna see how much weight we can chop off.
Yeah, see what
how much weight do you guys think we're gonna cut off these doors?
I think we can take out at least 20, 30 pounds.
At least 20 pounds.
20
yeah.
pounds.
Here, this bar.
Oh, there's a bolt right there. Yeah, there is. There's a bolt underneath.
There's a bolt.
Victory! Oh.
Look at this though.
Oh, that's pretty.
Feel the weight.
Look at that thickness. Dude.
Exactly. We magnetized it too. Very nice.
Dude, this thing is thick, bro.
It's solid, bro.
Yeah, it's supposed to save.
Keep you from getting the door.
Dude, that thing is like almost like the cage.
Sir, yeah.
Oh, it is magnetized.
Yeah, from all the
Feel
cutting.
it? Feel it magnetized? Like put them together?
Oh yeah, I feel it.
From all the cutting.
Yeah. These poles probably, this thing alone probably weighs 15 pounds or 10 pounds. Let's weigh that door to find out how much it weighs.
Oh yeah? Is that right?
Yeah, it's cut out. It's 21 from Mike.
Whoever's closest.
Woo! 25, baby.
Ah, you jerk. Yeah, 24.
He was looking at it.
Oh, I looked at a second and it got into the corner of my eye.
You got it?
A little ass piece.
Good.
Yeah, that's it.
Good. Because I thought, do you still feel kind of like it's in there?
No, I think so.
Alright.
Yeah, you got pretty eyes.
You got lucky, dog.
Fits right there. Boop.
Yeah, it's the right height and it's out of the way so we can put motor mounts on. T-bracket, there's enough room to put the T-bracket on. And then you can just unbolt it from the tray and move it.
Sick. Look at that, in action, in motion. Whoop. There you go. No need to buy all these fancy schmancy stands.
Well, you're gonna need a stand to put it on here.
What is it like, bro?
Felt like freaking boost, dude. They're not ready for this.
Not ready for this?
No, bro. I thought it was fast the first time I drove it. It's fast.
It's like what you said. It was like first and second gear was spinning. I
can't get anything else. I don't have enough space for anything else. Usually we have enough space to finish second. I couldn't finish second. There's no way. It was just like flight mode. It's nasty, dude.
It's nasty. Really we're ready for this.
It's nasty. No, they're not ready, bro. They're not ready. I promise that. And this isn't even. Oh man.
It's not even the sauce on the sauce,
bro. This is pump gas.
Pump gas, bro.
Bro.
Pump gas.
That is insane.
Pump gas. We got it. Doing this.
Oh, the hole's only this small. It's,
What up, G?
you know, pulling gas out of this thing so we can put the real stuff.
We put the juice.
How far down is this?
I'll just lift it up. You gonna do the drip method, or are you gonna just?
Nah, I want to send it.
Ah, we good. That's good. That's smooth technique.
You know what I'm saying? That's beautiful right there. Right? Beautiful beam footage.
All right, let's see if it starts.
Yeah.
Press push button. Push button, please.
Just push it or recycle?
Yeah, recycle. Hold on, wait.
Okay.
Make sure my thing is logging. Oh, still logging. Okay, go. Press start. Is that
You
good?
see it break? That's second gear.
Yeah,
You see it open up at the top?
Yeah.
Like started, I had to let off a little and play with it. Just that's off of like a dead run, dude. Like it's
more peppy, huh?
crazy, dude.
Hold on, let me do some more changes and I want you to go on the road.
I mean, just in any, it's the fastest all motor I've ever been in. That's for sure. It's nasty, dude.
All right.
Huh? My ass dyno, like 270.
Right? How does it feel to drive?
Like a power band, dude. It's almost like.
Because there's no VTEC, so you don't feel no.
So no. There's no transfer, but even at that, it's like a load up, almost like a slingshot, dude. Like you feel it all the way up to like 4 grand, 4,500. It's pulling. I mean, it's not like it's being a baby by any means, but it's literally like a power band on a Banshee. Like it like what? Like it just opens. It's not like.
It's like no lag, and like the power doesn't drop off. It just keeps
No, it
coasting.
doesn't drop off. It just gets better and better. Almost like you're incrementing boost, or like not even a nitrous shot can do that because you feel the nitrous, you know?
Yeah.
This is like, I'm telling you, it's like a power band. It's the only thing you can compare it to because it's literally that smooth. It's just like you feel it like engaged, but it's not a transfer. It's just like if I were to see it in a chart, I would say it does this.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like it doesn't dip, but it like
no dip. It just keeps.
But it you can feel that like kind of
takeoff.
like a takeoff pretty much. I don't know if the tires are spinning until that point, and I can't feel it, but that's what it feels like.
Oh,
to
listen.
me.
Hey, Chris, you want to drive it? Why not, fool? drive it. Dude, we gotta get a test pass because I gotta get data to tune it. Come on, fool.
We got a driver over there.
Just drive it. Just one pass.
Oh, pretty good. That's what happened last time. One pass.
And you broke. Well, no, because you kept launching it. We told you to stop, and then you launched it.
Just once. Oh, I'm good.
No, you launched.
So it turns into dirt after a certain point.
What do you? Oh, it chipped. Ooh.
Chipped the chunk off of the skirt.
It's broken. It was broken when I took it off.
What do you think, bro? What'd you think?
That's definitely at least 270.
Dude, yeah,
I had a
right?
second gear pull with these 17-inch rims and it spun them.
Yeah. At the top, not at the bottom.
At the
Yeah.
top, bro.
No, and it wasn't like you guys were saying how there's no like VTEC crossover, so it's just smooth. Like the amount of power this thing has is insane. It's pretty crazy.
It's lit.
Yeah, this is gonna be a force to be reckoned with.
Oh yeah, bro, it's not fair.
And we still have exhaust on this thing, so if we take the exhaust off,
It ain't fair.
the
It ain't
doors,
Not fair,
the
bro.
like,
It's not fair. It's not fair.
How much does that weigh?
Oh, dude, this weighs at least 60 pounds.
60 pounds?
Yeah, 60 pounds. It's easy.
60 pounds easy?
You guys want to give it a shot? This thing weighs. Oh yeah, this thing is.
Do some curls with that?
Do it.
Okay. Oh shit!
I took the speaker out of it.
That's a two-handed fucking thing.
Do it.
Yeah, dude.
What you think?
Oh shit!
Since we're doing all motor, this motor obviously it's all motor. We don't got boost, so what do? We lighten this thing up. So we got a cut hood, fiberglass fenders, no door, but we're putting doors on it.
Jeep static. What
We're doing Jeep status. No, we don't need a door. Who needs doors? We'll just put a window net or a door net.
What happened? You don't have the tool? This
What
is
the hell?
I bought a tool.
That's some shit you see in a farm. What is this shit?
Let me show you. See the tool?
Let me see, I guess.
The secret tool.
The secret
Ain't
tool.
no secret.
Nah. Oh, you want the top one?
I'm trying to take. Oh, you're taking it off of here.
Yeah, just take it off.
Okay.
What? What you know about that, bro? What you know about?
Kidding me, bro? Are you
Changed your life, right?
Are you serious right now? I never in a million years would I think they have a tool for that.
Take out the.
Guys,
Right?
do you guys know about this? I mean,
Oh shit!
there's some reflexes. You seen this shit?
See that? Oh, how do you want the exhaust?
I would like it just to dump out at any point here. I don't care where, as long as it dumps out. Let me cut it and then put it on there. Because my way, we can still cut it your way after. Your way, we're fucked, right?
No, we're not.
No, yeah, we are. If I cut it your way, I can't go back to my way.
Yeah, you can.
No, I can't. No, because I'm not. You have to weld it.
Cut it here.
Nah, yeah.
Don't touch the
If I
fucking-
cut here, I can't extend the pipe with magic. But if I cut it where I want it, then if it doesn't work, we can cut it where you want.
How does that make any sense?
How the fuck?
If you cut this part, how?
Oh, I see what you're doing. You want this piece of pipe. No, we're using
No.
this one, bitch.
This, I was saying, cut it
No,
at
I
an
know
angle.
what you're doing.
Don't touch. Hot.
I saved them twice. Oh, we're not gonna take this fucking bung off and put it on that side.
Why not?
Because no, we're not gonna fucking do
Why
that.
wouldn't you?
Because we're already here.
Well, you want to do that?
Chris, do something. Chris, do something.
All right, guys, we getting her ready. Put the slicks on. Chris out here putting the lensos.
Dude,
Quick
the weight difference between some Lenzos and some 17s are like
17-inch rims is
crazy.
crazy, bro. Yeah, these are light, dude.
Yeah, these are super light.
Instantly. So what we're doing right now, putting the slicks on. We got the doors on, got the hatch on, bumper off. Yeah, we got the exhaust off. We're gonna make it like a little just dump tube. We're changing the fuel, get some sauce, and we're gonna have some fun. Yeah, buddy.
Yeah.
I hope so. Bitch.
Got it. On camera. You got anything? Hey, stop. That's a grinding wheel, not a cutting wheel.
I was like, why is this not ready?
Alright. See what she does. You guys wanna hear it?
We need a bungee for the back.
Dude, there's a bunch of
How's it sound?
It's a little bit loud.
That's loud.
That's loud. Oh my god. Oh my god. You got no card, bro? No credit card? I'm kidding.
Credit card's not gonna work.
Everyone goes to the credit card, bro.
Yeah, I know, and just destroys their credit cards and doesn't give
Look
you
at that. Look at
enough
that. Look at
pressure.
this. Go. Check the zoom. Oh. Yeah.
No bobbles. Very nice.
Thanks, guys.
Sick.
We're gonna go test now.
Thank
Let's go
you.
test. All right. So that was a day of testing. How'd she do?
Amazing. She did better than I expected. It felt like boost. I mean, it was badass. It really was. I mean, I didn't think that kind of, what do you call it? Like aggression can come out of just a fuel change, I guess you can call it. It's insane. I mean, the power that you get out of it, you can literally feel it. It's crazy.
We got a race, but we have to keep this kind of under wraps because
We do.
You know what I mean? We got competition. We're trying to
Yeah.
win here.
And we got a
win in
lot
Mexico.
we got a lot of
right.
surprise for you guys. We got a lot in store
Oh,
for
yeah.
next season. So
Yeah.
You
So
guys are gonna love it.
this fall, the track opens back up in Vegas. We don't have weekly track events, guys. So, you know, wish we did. We could have got our, you know, a lot of our goals done a lot sooner, but the track opens back up in September. So Pink Widow's gonna come back out. Rice Cooker's gonna be coming back out. Cabron K is gonna come back out. And you're gonna see us a lot more of the videos and the races that you like. So
That's right.
Please like and subscribe. Until next video. Laters.